Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. I am super excited to share today's adorable nail art tutorial with you. I am going to be showing you how to create this really cute and aesthetic, trendy cow print manicure. So for this design, you will need white nail polish, a natural nails polish, so something like a nude neutral or French manicure type color. You'll also need black nail polish, or you can use black acrylic paint. That's what I decided to use today. And you'll also need an accent color nail polish of your choice. I decided to use pink, but you could use something like red or blue or purple, whatever you like. And you'll also, of course, need base and top coat, a large dotting tool or bobby pin, a small dotting tool or toothpick, and for the actual cow print designs, I decided to create mine with a detailing nail art brush. But of course, if you don't have one of those, that's totally fine. You can use a bobby pin or toothpick. So without any further ado, let's get right on into the tutorial. So we're starting off this mani by painting our pointer and middle nails with that natural nails color, and make sure to let those dry 2 to 5 minutes between coats and then before you start the actual French tip. You can do this whatever way you find the easiest for you. I decided to just freehand it today, and you can always freehand it and clean it up with an angled brush afterward, or you could use that cool like stamper technique that I've seen a lot. There's a lot of different ways. You could also use stencils, so whatever way you find the easiest is what you should do. And then of course just make sure you let that dry, and if you need a second coat of white, go ahead and add that after. Once your white French tips are dry, you're going to start with the actual cow print design. So like I said, I am using a detailing nail art brush for this, but you can use whatever tools you have on hand. So it's really simple to create cow print, and that's why I love animal print. It's a really great and quick design to do, and it's great if you are a beginner nail artist, so you can really just create any shapes you want, just kind of irregular blob type shapes. It's really simple to do, and it looks really cool as a French tip. So just try to keep these pretty small so you can fit as many as you like on the tip, and it'll just look really nice. Make sure you go back in and add some smaller dots at the end as well. This really fills it in and makes it look cool. Next, you'll want to paint your ring nail, your pinky nail, and your thumbnail with white nail polish. Again, you can do 2 to 3 coats and make sure you let it dry 2 to 5 minutes between coats and then before you start the cow print. So once again, we're going to do that same thing with a black nail polish or acrylic paint and whatever tool you're using to create the cow print. And I really find that it looks super nice if you can make the design kind of go off your nail a little bit, so it looks like stickers almost, if you have that kind of continuation on the edges of your nail. So make sure you do that, and again, don't forget to add in some smaller dots at the end just to fill up the space. And to create the actual cow print designs, you can just stipple whatever tool you're using with the black polish or acrylic paint and just move the brush around with a decent amount of the polish or paint on it, so you can kind of create these nice little shapes. And you can make these bigger if you want to, if you don't want to add as many individual shapes. And of course, it just looks so nice when you can fit this to your nail shape and length. So whatever way you decide to do it, I'm sure it will look amazing. This mani has been making me smile all week. I'm still wearing it as I'm recording this voiceover, and it's super eye-catching. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, so I hope you're enjoying it too. The final touch to finish this adorable design is going to go on our middle nail right over the French design that we finished a little while ago. So you can take, again, whatever accent color you choose. I started off with a larger dotting tool to create the 2 top parts of the heart, and then I used a smaller one to drag the polish down a little bit just to create that tip. But again, you can use whatever tool you're using to achieve the same effect, and this looks so cute, and it's just a really nice finishing touch to an adorable design. Before we finish up with top coat, I do want to remind you to make sure to share your recreation if you decide to do this mani on your own nails with hashtag TSNinspo, so I can see and share with our community. Seeing your beautiful manis always brings me so much joy, and it's really fun to get to share it with our Polish People community. So as we finish up with top coat, I do want to remind you to make sure that you let your nails dry for long enough before you add the top coat, because if you don't wait long enough, your design will smear. I had that a little bit on my other hand, so just make sure if your polish layers are thicker that you give it enough time. I would say it depends on how thick your layers are, but to be safe, I would recommend anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. It really depends on your nail length as well, so just make sure you figure out what time is best for you. And of course, if you want to finish this off with a matte top coat, make sure you finish it off with glossy top coat first to seal in your beautiful design. So again, I am so happy with how this mani turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you would like to see the polish list and links for this manicure, you can check the description box below for the blog post, where you can also see some more pictures. You can check out more manicures, lifestyle content, story updates, and reels over on my Instagram at 360 Nails. You can subscribe to the Very Important Polished Person email club for a newsletter every Monday morning and some more fun surprises throughout the week. And I think that's all for now, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to stick around for more like this, then make sure you subscribe. I hope you're having an absolutely beautiful day, and I will see you again very soon with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!